Your question is, the Indian Constitution borrowed the directive principles of state policy from the constitution of which of the following countries? Your options are A. United Kingdom, UK, Britain, B. United States of America, USA, C. Ireland, or D. Japan. Right answer is C. Ireland. Your question is, consider the following statements. With reference to the Constitution of India, the directive principles of state policy constitute limitations upon 1. Legislative function, 2. Executive function. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, or D. neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is D. neither 1 nor 2. Your question is, the directive principles of state policy of the Constitution of India is taken from the Constitution of which country? Your options are A. Australia, B. America, C. France, or D. Ireland. Right answer is D. Ireland. Your question is, under the Indian Constitution, concentration of wealth violates. Your options are A. the right to equality, B. the directive principles of state policy, C. the right to freedom, or D. the concept of welfare. Right answer is B. the directive principles of state policy. Your question is, which one of the following is included in the directive principles of state policy? Your options are A. protection in respect of conviction for offences, B. protection of life and personal liberty, C. protection of interest of minorities, or D. equal pay for equal work for both men and women. Right answer is D. equal pay for equal work for both men and women. Your question is, in Indian Constitution, the idea of the directive principles of state policy has been taken from the Constitution of. Your options are A. Ireland, B. Canada, C. South Africa, or D. Australia. Right answer is A. Ireland. Your question is, Panchayati Raj system in India is laid down under. Your options are A. fundamental rights, B. fundamental duties, C. directive principles of state policy, or D. Election Commission Act. Right answer is C. Directive Principles of State Policy. Your question is, Directive Principles of State Policy are. Your options are A. Justiciable, B. Non-justiciable, C. Fundamental rights, or D. none of these. Right answer is B. Non-justiciable. Your question is, which of the following is not a fundamental right? Your options are A. right against exploitation, B. equal pay for equal work, C. equality before law, or D. right to freedom of religion. Right answer is B. equal pay for equal work. Your question is, which one of the following articles directs state government to organize village panchayats? Your options are A. Article 32, B. Article 40, C. Article 48, or D. Article 51. Right answer is B. Article 40.